So the question for today is next right node. So in this question, what you have to do is you will be given a key in your input, and with respect to this key, you have to find if you have another node on the same level. So suppose in your input this key is 2, then your next node will be 6. So in your answer, you will be returning as 6. Suppose your key is 8, then you will be returning your answer as 4. Suppose your key is 5, then since there is no node to the right of 5, so your answer would be -1. To solve this question, what you would be doing is that suppose you are currently at node 4. So initially, first of all, you'll be doing, you know that you are looking for a next node, right? So you should be trying to do a BFS traversal on this. So what it will do is it will give you the row wise elements in row wise fashion, right? So row wise, I mean level wise fashion. So when you are at a current node, let us say 4, then you would just be checking whether the previously encountered node is equal to the key or not. And if the previously encountered node, let's say your current is 4, so previously you would have encountered 8. So if your previously encountered node was equal to the key, then you will just return the current node. And in the end, if you see that you haven't returned any answer, then you would just return -1. So that's the logic to solve this question. So what you would be doing is you are maintaining a queue for the BFS traversal. Then in the end, you just push that root node, and this is the simple BFS code that we write. So I have a level size to note that uh, what is the what is the size of the level that I'm currently iterating on. And for each level, you have a previous, which denotes like when you are at 2, your previous would be nothing. So I'm just taking a random number, which is -1e9, and this number is such that it is not a part of any of the nodes. Like it's out of these range of the input. So after that, I'll be just traversing like level wise, and this is where you pop the queue from the front and get the current value from the front, and you check that if the previously encountered node, so let's say you are at 4, then the previously encountered will be 8. So if 8 was equal to your key, I mean the data of previously encountered node, if it is equal to the key, then you return the current node, and then you will update your previous to the current. And after that, if your currents left is not null, then like you are just continuing the BFS procedure in these two lines. Like if the currents left is not null, then you will be pushing left in the queue. Otherwise, if currents right is not null, then you would also be pushing currents right in the uh, queue. So in the end, if you don't get any value returned from this position from this, then you would be returning -1, that there are no nodes next to that current node. So if I submit this, yeah, then this works. So that's it.